It's a time of the year again for another batch of students to receive their diplomas and bid farewell to NYP. At the 2011 graduation ceremony, the auditorium was filled with enthusiastic graduates, anxiously waiting to get their chance to strut across the stage for their moment in time. Parents as well as other family members flocked down for their children's graduation ceremony and were thrilled with the fruits of their labour. The event started with an opening speech by the principal and CEO Mr. Chan Liman to congratulate the new batch of graduates. The guest of honour was Mr. Zainuddin Nordin, Mayor of the Central Community Development Council, who presented awards to outstanding students. The winners of this year's prestigious Lee Kuan Yew Award were Oh Long Yen, Ramatunisan Muhammad, and Daniel Tan Chun Sin.
Everything is sort of a surprise, for me. And of course, I didn't actually know about this award. It's only about come to year 3 that I start to learn about the requirements to actually use to get this award.
When I entered Poly, there were friends and teachers, lecturers who guided me along the way, motivated me, and gave me advice.
I think that determination, hard work, and self-motivation and discipline are the 3 main pillars to my success.
Meanwhile, the other students were also ecstatic about their hard-earned diplomas.
I guess I'll miss my friends and lecturers the most because it's not every day you get to meet people like them, especially here at NYP. So yeah, it's something I always remember for the rest of my life.
I will miss the school life, I'll miss my classmates, and as much as I hate to admit it, I'll miss the lectures, tutorials, and the exams, and the fact that this is the end of my school life because I'm going to the army.
Both my wife Jacinta and myself are very proud to be here at our son's graduation ceremony today.
The education and the structure here for the course is really fantastic, and it really gives the students a very well-balanced and all-rounded experience.
Mr. Chan was proud and praised the students for their achievements.
First, let me congratulate all the graduates this year. They have been a wonderful crop. They have brought us a lot of good things. They have done well in their studies, and they are also excel in many other areas outside of their studies. So I think as far as the groups of graduates are concerned, they have done exceptionally well.
Hardened by their experiences here, the graduates bid farewell to NYP as they prepare to face their future ahead. We hope to see this talented batch achieve success in life.